In this video, I'm going to walk through how to view and edit two worksheets side by side in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a Mac computer. Here we have a workbook with two worksheets. We want to view both worksheets at the same time and be able to edit them. For example, I may want to use cells from the first worksheet in a formula in the second worksheet. Click on Window on the menu bar and then click on New Window. Two copies of the same workbook appear. It is still the same file. You can see a 1 after the file name in one window and a 2 after the file name in the second window. Click on Window and then Arrange. Choose Horizontal. The windows are now viewed horizontally. To view vertical windows, click on Window on the menu bar, choose Arrange, and then choose Vertical. That's it, we are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.